1 Minute Catalan Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Catalan, where you can learn Catalan 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Anna.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Catalan. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Catalan speaker, they'll be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking. So, let's go learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Catalan in Catalan is
Khatallah.
Let's repeat that.
Khatallah.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Khatallah.
To say that you speak Catalan, you say
Parlo català.
Now, if you've ever learned French, then you'll recognize the word parlo. It's like je parle. Note that in Catalan, you don't need the word for I, because I is already contained in the ending of the word parlo. Don't worry about this just now. Listen again to how you say I speak Catalan.
Parlo català.
One more time.
Parlo català.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Catalan. The word for a little is
Una mica.
So putting this together with
Parlo català.
you would say
Parlo una mica el català.
Listen to this again and Anna will say it slowly.
Parlo una mica el català.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Parlo una mica el català.
I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Catalan-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. Today we learned a little. If you'd like a little more from 1 Minute Catalan, you can purchase the premium version of this course, which includes an enhanced podcast version and a PDF lesson guide to help you learn a little more Catalan. You can find out lots more on 1minutelanguages.com.
That's all for today. Gràcies i adeu!
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.